if we are going to make a piece of the flower, we can do it here. You can use your plier here, this way. Actually, at the beginning, if you want to make it easy, you don't need use a plier. Yeah, you don't need a plier. But here, in order to make it easy, we use a plier to try here. Here, this side, you don't need to fold it too much. No need to fold it too much. Just like this. Okay. Then fold it here. Okay. You can see that we fold it like this. Okay, here. This way. Thank you, Rondia. Yes, you can find the chain catalog. Look at the picture in the chain catalog first in the shop. You can also order from the shop directory. Okay, so moon rose, you can understand here how we make this flower. Then take the space bigger here. Yeah. Here. Okay. Then here we can stop. This is the beginning wire, and let's use this beginning wire to make a bigger rope. Here. This one. Here. Okay, then we cut it. Okay. Here. Then we also use this one to make a bigger rope. Okay. Make it a loop and fold it here. So here with the middle with the loops for the end. Okay. So this flower, the top here you can see is straight. Okay. So how to make it better? Okay, how to make it more nice? Let me show you. Okay. You can use your plier here to fold it. Okay, make like a heart. here. Okay. Then the middle of the flower we can going to put with beads to hidden this. Put a bead at the middle. Yeah. A flower frame finish. Dear moon rose got the way. Yeah. Here. Then we use beads to finish this at the middle. We use the wire 0.4. Yeah. Here. Doing that with my needle nose plier and the twist I got to get Taylor's plier. You can just practice. I think not because of the plier. Yeah, more practice you can get the way. Here. This one here. Tight is the wire to tight the left the front and the back the piece of the loop we made. Then I am going to, you want a pro, right? You want a pro make the earring dangle. Middle one here, I'm going to use a round shape, round pro beads. I'm using a round shape here. Okay, a round pro bead at the middle. We tied the pro. I wasn't a fan of pro. No, in China, many girls they love pro. So pro can it depends on the design. Some design with pro is so nice. So it's a frame of the flower. We finish. Then we can dangle a bead. Dangle a bead. Dangle the beads. I need to use the wire 0.6 or 0.5. I'm using 0.5. Round pro. Let me check if I have a stock. Yeah, we have the round pro for sale. Here I wrap it. I just use this bit to help. Yeah, any even it's a head pin or a needle is work. Not must be this thing. So just make a ball pin by ourselves. Okay. Then a bead pendant dangle here. Make a loop here. Tight. Okay. So here. Love that shape of pearls. This not all the shape the same. This I find it from just select a pearl shape that's like this. Not every pearl shape can be this. Nature freshwater pearl it come all the different shape, so it cannot be always the same shape. Yeah. Here, this way. This is the most simple way making the earring hook. Hammer. Round. I think this design is better. Use another wire, make the lock. It will be more nice. Not like this way. We use another way. We need another pro. Is laughing at me. Today is my birthday and he bought me a sport welding machine. And you already buy a Shopee sport welding machine? But your husband is really good. He know what you want and is really a gift that's how to say, by heart. Yeah. Dear Snack, you can also get a gift here. You can get a ring or a ring in as your gift. Yeah. You can tell me a ring size. I will make a piece of the ring as your gift later. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear. Yeah. Okay, so here I hammer. So hammer is a way help the earring not easy out of shape. So if you bend something, you want this part not be out of shape, hem it. Okay. Opposite 装反了。Okay, so it's a earring like this. Okay, let's see. If you do some steering silver jewelry, I think you can use the copper wire to develop the design or practice make some design first. If you can make it nice, then you calculate exactly the length of the silver wire, then you going to make it finish the design by steering silver. If someone is love to use steering silver, and if you are very easy to be allergic, you can just change your steering silver hook. Yeah, change the earring hook to steering silver. Then the other part keep the copper. Okay, so here is the way. That's the way I'm making the earring. Yeah, this is the way that's the making. Very easy. Here. Thank you. Do you have those round pro?